One thing I've learned by 43 is that it's okay to fail on your first try. When I got into this kayak, let's just say it didn't go exactly as planned. But I got back up, tried again, and by the end, I was enjoying the ride. So many people give up after the first mistake, but sometimes the only difference between failure and a success is being willing to try just one more time. Don't let one bad moment convince you to give up on a good dream. Look at that. If I didn't reattempt this kayaking, give it another chance, I wouldn't be enjoying this kayaking on this beautiful afternoon. It was so much fun, and I can definitely say this is a follow up from one of our previous lessons of not being afraid to try something new, because this was very new for me. This was very different for me. This was my first time trying kayaking and learning something new. At my big age of 43 was my first kayaking. So make sure you're taking notes of all these lessons. Catch you for lesson 5.